Girls, let me tell you, I have got a stash. Today's stash all empty, but I'm going to take you through everything that I have used throughout the last couple of months. This isn't just 1 month's worth because that would be rude, too many things. But I wanted to show you these because these are the things that I'm going to be replenishing without a doubt. So I've got hair, I've got makeup, I've got skincare, and I've got a fragrance. So apologies about my red eye. I have just had a sneezing fit. I think I've got allergies and I wear contact lenses and they can be a bit of a bad mix, and I don't have any whitening drops, but hey ho, I've got this eye, I've got my good eye. First of all then, let's start with cleansers. I love a cleansing oil or a cleansing balm. I love that buttery, the way that it melts into your skin, melts off your makeup, and then you just splash off with warm water and then use a flannel or a face cloth. I love that, and I love those that have got that spa fragrance. You know, I like to feel luxurious when I'm doing my cleansing. This is by far one of my favourites. I've got 3 that I love, but 2 are on their way out in terms of empties. This one here is Junico. Junico is Clean 10. It's a cleansing balm with just 10 ingredients. What could be better? I love it. Look, so another one arriving today, and it smells so nice. It is just the perfect way to end the day, to take your makeup off, any sunscreen. It's really good at that. I love that one. That is being replenished. The other one that I love, not quite finished yet, but it will be finished probably by tomorrow, is this one. It's by Emma Hardy. Sorry, I'm showing you inside first. Emma Hardy, this is the Moringa or Moringa. I'm going to go with Moringa. Moringa sounds a bit weird. Moringa cleansing balm. It is, again, beautiful. Doesn't have quite the fragrance. It's got a spa-like fragrance, but doesn't have quite the fragrance that this one is. And when I say fragrance, it's natural. These are natural ingredients. I love this one. It's not as good as taking your makeup off as this one. And when I say makeup, I mean, you know, your mascara. Love these. They're both empty. Well, this has got a few days left. This is the one I'm replenishing without a shadow of doubt. Body balms, body lotions, that type of thing. Now, I do tend to buy a really big tub of one that isn't here, and it is by Empties. It's sensational. However, wow to this. This is L'Occitane. It's their Amande. Is that how they say it? Amande? Amande. It's going to be almond. Of course it is. It's almond. So as you can see, I have used pretty much every bit of that. That's just going to be for tonight. I love it. It smells, oh, it smells sensational. It is the richest, most luxurious butter balm for your body that you're ever going to need. You will never need anything else. You will never want to use anything else. I have completely been turned to this. So this is L'Occitane Almond, not Amande, Sally, Almond. It's made with almond oil, by the way, ladies, and it is their deliciously softening butter balm. It's so good. Ordering that, that's definitely a refresh that I'm absolutely going to have. Keeping with skincare, this here, you've heard me talk about this so many times. This is Empties. It is La Creme Concentrate or Concentré. It is the most divine moisturiser. It costs around about £15–16, roughly about $20, I guess. It is so good. I've been using this every single day consistently for the last 2 years. Originally, makeup artists used to talk about using this on very dry, probably very hungover supermodel skin because it instantly refreshes. It instantly gives you a glow. It's superb under makeup, any makeup, and it is incredibly moisturizing. I use it morning and evening. It is what I would refer to as my moisturizer. I take it on holiday with me. It's fabulous if you have perhaps a little bit of dry skin, chapped skin. It doesn't irritate. It's sensational. It is a French pharmacy product available on Amazon. I'm going to link everything that I'm showing you in the description box. Don't you worry, I won't let you miss out. And I love it. It's so good. Now this is well and truly gone. There is nothing. Oh, there we go, last little bit. And it is the most beautiful moisturiser that you're ever going to use. Has no real fragrance. It is made with shea butter. It has, what else does it have? It has aloe vera. It is a jojoba. You know, it's got all of those yummy, delicious skincare products that you really want to use on your body. Now I use this on my face. The big one I was telling you about is the body one. So I have this in a big pump bottle that you can get on Amazon. Superb for the body as well. But I really do love this, and I just wanted to show you about that one as well. On release, we'll absolutely reorder. I've got it on its way. I mean, that's it. What can I tell you? It's arriving today. The next skincare item that I love and was a bit of a surprise for me is this one here. This says Centella with vitamin C, 10%. Now, my neck is super sensitive. Centella is going to calm redness. So it's superb for those of us that get those flare-ups, those rashes, maybe we get irritation. It is such a fabulous, fabulous product. This is a Korean skincare brand, House of Joseon. I know you already have heard of it, but it's so good. It's such a great one. The Centella gives a calming effect. It's going to calm redness, and it's also got vitamin C at 10%. So it's also good at protecting the skin and encouraging collagen and tightening and getting the cells to turn over. You already know the drill, girls. You know what vitamin C does. It comes out as a serum, I would say. It isn't a thick cream. It's kind of like a light cream, but I think it's more of a serum. And you can use this on your neck, your face. Obviously, you can use it anywhere, but I really like this on my neck, which does tend to be sensitive to vitamin C's, and I definitely can't use retinols. So this was perfect. That is being reordered for sure. Talking of vitamin C's, I'm out of this one. Do you remember? I'm going to link it for you here. I did a vitamin C deep dive, top vitamin C's that you cannot miss. You absolutely need in your skincare routine. This was my wild card, if you like. This is the one I picked from Japan. I made a beeline for this. I have got more already in my cupboard because I did take quite a few from Japan. But I have found this for you in the UK and through the world actually. So I'm going to link my favorite stores that you can get this from. It is a Japanese vitamin C product that has not one, not two, but 4 different types of vitamin C's, including the big daddy, the gold standard L-Ascorbic acid. It is superb for any of us that perhaps cannot use retinols and perhaps you struggle with using anything too strong because it's super gentle and it works. I love it. I won't be without it. It has really improved my pores. It's good at kind of shrinking pores if you like, but it definitely is great at evening your skin tone, lightening pigmentation and helping encourage collagen. So I already have one of these ready to go, but I just wanted to show you what is empty in my skincare routine at the moment. I love it. Sticking with another Korean brand, it's the same actually, it's House of Joseon. This is their retinol and ginseng under eye cream. Now I absolutely love it. I've used it for around about 6 months, maybe a little longer now actually. I talked about this in my under eye treatment video. I'll link that one for you. It's a superb one for maybe dark shadows. What do I want to say? It's not suddenly going to evaporate or diminish all of your wrinkles, but it's nourishing. It's got retinol in it, so it's going to help with fine lines and wrinkles, and it has ginseng in it, which gives your under eyes a tightening, brightening effect. It's that caffeine response. Superb. It's quite a famous product. House of Joseon. It's retinol and ginseng under eye treatment. Perfect. And I will be ordering this again. Talking of under eyes, I also talk about this. This is now gone. It's Autocorrect. Autocorrect by Sunday Riley is such a dreamy, fabulous product. You are going to love it. It has a little bit of light diffusing properties, a little bit of magic is what it's got. I don't know how it works. I don't know why it works. It's just really great at making very tired eyes look like you've had 18 hours sleep and you're ready to go, like you used to bounce back when you were much younger. It really is great at getting rid of that tired eye effect. So it has a little bit of a concealer effect is what I'm looking for. And it also contains beautiful skincare ingredients, superb under makeup. You could wear it just as it is if you didn't want to wear your makeup because it has got that concealer effect in it. Love that, will definitely be reordering. And talking about Sunday Riley, this is an exfoliant. This is called Good Genes. It is a glycolic acid, everyday, very gentle exfoliant. I adore it. I use it in the morning. I don't tend to use it in the evening because, to be honest with you, it gives your skin that zing, ready to go. So I use this before I use anything else. So I'm going to use this, then I do my skincare because it's literally taking off all of the maybe oils that perhaps have accumulated overnight. And it's just a really good skin treatment. Now you can use it at night, but it's a great skin treatment to give you that glow like you've just been splashed with cold water. That's all I can say. It does make your skin pink up a little bit and I adore it. And that is something I'm going to be reordering very, very soon. I've got these two that I want to show you. So these are my favourite sunscreens in a bag, ready to go. La Roche-Posay 50 Plus and Thelios sprays over makeup. It's the finest mist. There is no excuse to not put your factor on. I love this one. It's my favourite. And then when I can't get hold of this because it is a little bit pricey, in fact, I think it was something like $18.99 going through the airport at Gatwick. I mean, come on, why do they hike up the prices? I think it's probably around about $13.99 regular price in the shops. This one here, though, is an absolute perfect, replacement, if you like, or alternative, much more affordable as well, I think. So this is the Super UV Over Makeup Mist. I mean, it says what it does on the tin, girls. 50 plus. It goes over your makeup. It does neither of them make you look white or that weird cast that you can get. Neither of them make you look greasy. I nearly said glowy. It's good to look glowy. Neither of them make you look greasy or shiny, and they are really fabulous if you normally get irritated by sunscreen. I must admit, I bought one from Japan, which everybody raved about. I just can't get on with it. It's got alcohol in it, which feels drying. These are fabulous. They're like skincare and sunscreen. Good to go. Get some. No excuses. I want to hear from you if you haven't. Right, so next up, makeup. A couple of things, that's all, because I do get through these all the time and I love them. It's this. This is the Wet n Wild, and you can see it's pretty done. Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation. It's the one that everybody said was like Dior skin. I think that's what everybody said. Did I make that up? Probably. But anyway. This is the one you need. It is the most sensational foundation for around about £5 or $7. It's so good that I won't be without it. I wear it here under the studio lights. I wear it out and about. I'm in the shade Soft Beige, for any of you that perhaps are similar to me. I kind of have a neutral complexion, maybe going a little more pink than yellow. What's that? Yellow, pink? I don't know. And of course, I like it because it's giving me a bit of a glow. I love that one. And then this, and you can see that's really empty. That is a Beauty Pie blush. It is their super, is it called Super Cheek? Oh, goodness me. Hold on a minute. Yes, this is Super Cheek. It's their Fresh Faced. I think it's either called Fresh Faced or Super Cheek. Either one will get you there. I love it. It's by Beauty Pie. I just love that it's a little bit apricot. So it's not too pink. It's not too brown. It's not too red. It's got that sort of apricot, just a nice glow. I love it in the summer. It's what I've got on now. I love it. Finally, my hair empties. So first of all, this is the L'Oreal Dream Lengths Elvive Heat Slayer. Heat Slayer. It sounds like a rock band. Seriously, this is one of those heat protectant sprays that also detangles. So if you've got long hair like mine, and when you step out of the shower, it literally looks like, rats have made a home and actually there's a family in there as well. You need something that you can smooth, that protects, and when you brush out your hair, you're not actually pulling out tons of your hair. This is the one I highly recommend. It is leave-in. It's like a leave-in conditioner, heat protectant, does all the things, and I love it. That one is arriving today too. So that's the heat protectant, heat and conditioner and detangler. And if you have blonde hair like me, and you are around about my age, you will recognise these bottles. Yes, I know there are a gazillion others on the market, but you will never ever find anything better than Provoke A Touch of Silver. These products work. Now, you can't use the normal strength every single day because your hair is going to end up looking platinum, purple, pink. What I like is this one. This was new to me. It is a daily, this one. This is a daily Keep It Bright daily shampoo for blondes. Now, it will also work for brunettes if you've got any highlights. It's fabulous. It doesn't cause your hair to look that kind of weird purpley tint, which is obviously fine if you want that, but you're not going to end up with that without wanting it, if you like. This one is superb. You can use it every day. It's a much lighter purple tint, if you like, and of course the conditioner to go with. Now, I know that this isn't groundbreaking news, and for those of you that perhaps all go on about, is it chemical free? Is it clean? Is it non-toxic? The truth is everything's chemicals, and all I know is it works. My hair looks great. I never look brassy, and I just think it's a fabulous, fabulous product. Now you could go and get Toni & Guy, or what's the other one, Elvida, or there's loads of them, and they will cost you triple the amount. Get this, it's fabulous. So that's everything apart from my fragrance. This is a fragrance that I adore. I don't know whether you've tried it. I don't know whether you wear it. You need to go and have a little sniff of this. You will love it. It's Coromandel, it's Chanel. I have had this bottle for just over a year. I wear it every single day and I adore it. And that is going to be replenished probably on Saturday. My birthday is April the 12th. So by the time you watch this video, my birthday will have come and gone. But it will be a treat because it is obviously quite an expensive purchase, and that's it. So that rounds up all of my empties for this last couple of months. I love everything that I've shown you. Everything I've shown you, I'm repurchasing, I'm getting again, and I really think you should take a look at them too. I do hope you enjoyed today's video. I've chosen this one for you next. It's where I break down a brand new serum that you absolutely need to get in your skincare routine. Until the next video, bye for now.